Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban GrowPro. Today in this video we will see how to sow okra for growing it organically. We are going to sow okra with the help of this single row seeder, which will help us to maintain the line to line distance and plant to plant distance. We have got heirloom variety of the okra with us. So we are going to sow this okra on this bed which we have already prepared. We have added around 2 kg of cow manure and half kg of compost to prepare this bed for every square meter. And we have raised this bed around 6 to 8 inch. Our bed to bed distance we have kept around 4 feet, and on the top it is around 2.5 feet. So on each bed we are going to make 4 lines of okra. So that means line to line distance will be maintained around 8 to 9 inch, and plant to plant distance we have adjusted in this to keep it around 6 inches. So we will have a 4 line of okra into 4 feet of distance. We have fitted 2 lines of drip into this bed. So we will putting 1 line each of okra on either side of the drip. So in total we will have a 4 line of okra into this 4 feet of bed. We have this heirloom variety of okra with us to sow into this. We have already treated these seeds with the trichoderma, and now we will put this seed into this seeder to sow it. The procedure for sowing is very simple. We simply need to add some seed which is treated. Then we'll just run the machine on either side of this drip line. So this machine will put 1 seed each at every 6 inch distance. So it's a very easy way to sow the okra seed quickly and with a very accurate way. I will update you how the okra is germinated and how the distance is been maintained in the upcoming time with a separate video. But for now, we are just completing our sowing of the okra with the help of this seeder.